Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about the importance of saving money and how you can start saving right away to ensure a more stable financial life in the future. If you're one of those who believe that saving money is impossible, keep watching this video, because I'll show you that with some simple changes in habits and attitudes, you can save a lot of money in your daily life. Tip 1. Make a monthly budget. The first tip is essential for those who want to save money. Make a monthly budget and write down all your expenses and income. This will help you see where your money is going and identify which expenses can be reduced or eliminated. Additionally, by making a budget, you can plan your financial future and set goals to achieve your objectives. Tip 2. Avoid impulse purchases. One of the biggest traps for those who want to save money are impulse purchases. To avoid this, make a shopping list and only buy what's on the list. Another tip is to wait a few days before making an unplanned purchase. Often, after this waiting time, you may realize that you no longer need that item or that you can acquire it at another time. Tip 3. Buy cheaper brand products. Not always the most famous brands are the most financially advantageous. When buying products, research and compare prices among different brands and choose the cheaper ones. In many cases, the difference in quality between brands is not significant, and you can save a lot of money by choosing the cheaper options. Tip 4. Bring your own food to work. Eating out every day can be very expensive at the end of the month. One way to save money is to prepare your own food at home and bring it to work. In addition to being healthier, this attitude can make you save a lot of money. Tip 5. Avoid debt and interest. Finally, an important tip for those who want to save money is to avoid debt and interest. If you need money, try to find alternatives that do not involve loans with high interest rates. Additionally, avoid installment payments and use credit cards moderately and responsibly. Conclusion. Saving money is not an easy task, but it is essential for those who want to have a stable financial life and ensure a peaceful future. Remember that small actions can make a big difference in your budget. I hope these tips have been useful and that you start saving money right away. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.